So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about future retail share. So today we know that it has hit the lower circuit and you can see current market price is near 55 rupees level. So basically when I discussed about this particular stock in earlier videos, I told that don't focus much on it. Mainly try to identify good quality stocks, since many people are asking in Instagram regarding this particular stock what can be done, because they're already invested in it and also they're having little loss. So I want to give you some important update at the end of the video, especially for people who are already holding and who are planning to hold. For them I'll try to update, and today we'll discuss why it has hit the 10% lower circuit, and especially we'll discuss what is the future of future retail as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting off the video, I want to tell you regarding the global markets as well. So today we know that Nifty has opened with a gap down, but later we know that when the US bond yields, when they started settling, so ultimately it has filled the particular gap and it is currently trading in a flat region, that is negative, slightly negative to slightly positive. So in that particular range it is trading. So many stocks have shown the retracement. So best quality stocks we have already discussed. So make sure you're joined in the Telegram as well. So discussing about future retail. So we know that yesterday an update has come, even not from the court as well, but we know that the Singapore Arbitration Center, which is prohibiting the future retail from going ahead with the deal with Reliance Retail, we know that. So when this particular deal again it is getting prohibited, especially by Singapore Arbitration, and our key person Mr. Kishore Biyani violating all the rules, again it has additionally increased the pressure on future retail. So with that increase of pressure, so today we have seen that lower circuit. So ultimately who is getting benefited? So the Amazon has little favorism, okay, regarding this particular case, and basically who is getting into loss? Future retail is getting a major, we can say, shock is being released to these two companies, Reliance as well as future retail. So now let's see what are the other updates as well, so that you'll have little clarity regarding future retail. Okay, so you can also see that the bench of Justice J.R. Midha held the Kishore Biyani's led future group willfully, so you can say willfully violated Singapore's arbitrator's order and directed it not to take any further action on the deal. So you can see even he has violated this particular thing, and you can see they have imposed certain thing. You can see here rupees 20 lakh cost on future retail and its directors, and ordered that the amount should be given to PM Relief Fund for providing COVID-19 vaccines. So this is what they have declared, and after that we know that today the 10% lower circuit was seen mainly because of these things. So we know the court order, again it will get delayed. So ultimately what will happen? The stock movement that what we expect, so we may not see, and people who bought at high levels, so they will enter into loss. So this is the basic scenario. Okay, and we know that when we discussed earlier regarding future retail, so in that time also I told you that majorly many employees are there in future retail, roughly around 11 lakhs. So what will be their future? Because if this particular deal at any chance, if it is completely towards Amazon favorism, then what will happen to those people's future? So they will completely come on to the road. So Supreme Court or High Court, whatever it is, so they also need to think about this particular thing. Especially many people tell about unemployment, but they don't show any favorism to these companies, Indian companies, and they are completely towards Amazon. Okay, so I agree that there are many false things done by Kishore Biyani as well. So he is a promoter who has no responsibility towards his company basically. So because of his particular greed and action, so basically the entire company is getting in trouble, and investors who are holding this particular stock, so they are into trouble. So who is getting benefited? So ultimately big players who play the game, who sell the stock, they rise the stock, so they will only get benefited. benefited. So that's why I told in previous videos also, I'm not discussing about future retail, so I'm focusing on good stocks. So much I have not discussed even in Telegram as well. Okay, only in Instagram who are asking regarding future retail, I am discussing that. So nothing can be done right now. Only if the High Court again, if anything majorly, if they show any favorism little bit, so then only anything may happen. So until then, Amazon is enjoying this particular thing. Basically it was acting as a hurdle since starting. It was acting as a hurdle, so now again it is enjoying that. Only the Jetka, what we say, is to future retail and Reliance. Okay, so deliveries wise also you can see the 2 days deliveries. You can see it is 65.4, earlier it was 60, and yesterday it was 51%. So that great deliveries also were not expected, so because of this particular court hearing. Okay, so nothing is there to discuss in technical. So just for primary reasons, we know that we are discussing about technicals. So basically when global factors or any particular stock has a negative news, so that time technical won't work. So first primary thing is fundamentals and also how the company is there, and we need to focus in that about promoter. So that is first primary thing. Second is technical for right entry. So without these two we can't do any sort of investing. So doing either or way entirely will go into loss. So today we know that little bit of opening was seen. Again directly it has hit the lower circuit, and you can see it is near 55.90, and you can see 10% lower circuit, not even 10% lower circuit is present. Okay, so now I told at the starting of the video that I'll give an update for people who are holding this particular stock, and anybody who is trying to add. For them I want to tell you that, see, if you see current market scenario, you can see we know that little COVID cases are increasing, and also globally we are seeing some profit booking happening in US markets as well. So what happens ultimately, our markets also react to US markets, and many stocks show correction. Okay, so now recently we know that scrappage policy is implemented, so there are good auto stocks also which are showing correction basically during this point of time, and especially auto ancillary stocks, so they are also at good levels. Try to accumulate them. I'm telling, try to accumulate them. Focus on power stocks. So when you're getting that much good quality stocks at low levels, so why you want to invest in future retail? So I understand you want to invest in future retail only because you may get some quick profits and you can exit. Okay, so that is one reason that many people tell. Okay, I agree with that. So you need to understand again the future. So will the promoter, can you trust the promoter again and again? So you can see various cases are present when he is not having any interest regarding company. So how will you hold a stock for long term? So try to understand. So now electric vehicle segment is going on. So many stocks will be benefited for power generation, for basically this auto ancillary. So everything will be benefited. So focus on future, not on this future stock, like future stocks having future. So those type of stocks will be benefited. Okay, and people who are already holding it, nothing can be done. So if any next court hearing is very crucial, so after that only anything can be done. So until then you need to wait and watch patiently. So that is only thing that can be done. So further, if you're having any doubts, make sure you ask in the comment section or in Instagram. I'll try to clarify them. And also, if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.